fell to the floor, a free fall in slow motion. We froze the night, lost in conversation beneath the constellation of faded stars. A whisper of moonlight danced on the lake, your smile glowing in the snowflakes in my hair. A free fall, suspended, we floated there and everything stopped spinning as I was slowly sinking through the thin December air. We were breathless, frozen in a moment, but so reckless. Jumped into the unknown just to feel this weightless free fall, and I can feel it all. A drizzle of sunlight fell on my face, your arms around me. In our embrace we fell asleep right there. A free fall, suspended, we floated there and everything stopped spinning as I was slowly sinking